like AM?
PM. And then like yeah, and then like 10 o'clock I'd be home because of the bus ride. It's like an hour long, or not, like 48 minutes actually. But this time where I'm moving, it's a bit closer to my school, so thank God for that.
I drive and I have to go to my tutor, you know.
You will leave if anyone wants to play?
Wait, you're 9. What do you mean?
What do you?
You mean you get dropped off?
Yeah, I'm like, and then like after like, you know, and then get out. Basically, just get me home at like.
I walk you.
Fudge.
5.
Because I live nearby. Boy, Zycres.
Woo. Spicy. That dude was a spicy one.
Oh shoot!
Has bigger lobbies than. Oh, for real?
I see food smoke.
I'm also gonna be like I said, with the moving, I don't know how frequent I'm gonna be on Fortnite now because I gotta deal with all the moving stuff. So this month is just gonna be hectic, like I said. Not just Zycres, but also Zycres. Yikes. Yikes, yikes, yikes. You find Fortnite boring to watch, so you focus on my mustache or entertain it. But I may as well play like this then, bro.
Oh, there is.
Psych. Dude. Cover Smurf because they're gonna finish him since you finished his friend.
Oh no. I was at 1 HP.
Low down warrior, boys. I'll find him. Don't look, bird box. Don't look.
Is that his coming to
Yeah, he is fudge.
It's alright. He doesn't know where Smurf is at though. Go get Smurf. ASAP. Rocky.
Wait, I didn't change my screen back. What the fudge? I thought I changed it. Oh my god. He didn't tweet anything bad about his cyst again. Like he had the surgery. So he came back from his surgery. Don't tell me something else happened. Myth freaking cream pied in his booty hole, bruh. Oh heck no.
I think what happened is Hamlin's got booty rape.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
By Myth.
Yeah, booty clap.
Oh my god, aimbot, what the? Oh, right there underneath.
Look at him, look at him, look at him. He's trying to get to his. Ah, you're hilarious, buddy.
Ooh. Feels bad, man. Oh, golden boat. Oh, dude, don't leave it like that.
Ah, I'm tempted, buddy, but there's too much good loot.
Oh, on top of the mountain.
Oh, that's annoying. Where's he at?
Hanging out the big gun. Ooh! You didn't even reload on my screen. That's how fast you shot.
Alright, I'm gonna just head up there, Abraham. Why you copy my name? What the heck? Who made Zycres? Is that Lunier? Lunier's always making weird accounts. I just killed the fake Hamlins.
Nice to meet you, Daniel.
Thank you for the follow, Zycres. I appreciate that, bro. Thank you for being me. Is he falling to his death? The heck? He's by himself?
Bruh. Wait, then how do you get red? Oh.
Yeah, wait,
to the
what?
Right, to the right, to the right. His teammates to the right. To the, yeah. I saw him when you were
Lighting up.
downstairs.
Aimbot, what the
Yeah,
jizz?
to your right.
I was reading chat, bruh.
Oh,
I'm reading
rip
chat instead of playing the
default.
game.
It's alright.
Who's Lunar? Only Lunar would be able to spell Lunar, so I know
think
it's you,
someone
buddy.
said that your chat was more interactive than other chats, or like you interact more with your chat than the big streamers.
You killed the real chat. Thanks for thank you for being me. Yeah, dude. Thanks. I appreciate that. It's self promo for my stream. It's my boyfriend. Sadly, someone did take the
Ooh,
name
big
Zycres
pot.
by itself, dude, on Twitch, man. That got me mad. I was heated. Lunar's your dad? Holy crap. Oh my lordy, that's looking scary.
This was fun, no?
Yeah.
9 kills? Dude, you're straight carrying. What the?
Okay, now I wish I had the gold sniper. I don't want to peek too
How
much,
did
bro.
that not hit, though? Ooh. Oh my god. Yo, aim hat? Aimbot?
Nah, bro.
Nope.
All natural. I work out.
You work out your right hand?
All day, every day.
Ugh.
Woo! Top tier gameplay, boys.
Oh, feels bad, man.
GG, man. Fucking hell. Hold up.
I feel like he's gonna knock it down.
Same.
What? Oh, you got him, right?
Don't know. What the?
Yo, they probably think you're hacking.
Probably, huh?
Dude, all those shots that you hit? Yep.
Yeah, I'm fucking on a roll right now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, actually really trying. Holy crap, boys. Wait, you
Oh,
left.
just hacking.
Bro, he's not gonna get the freaking dub right now.
We don't believe in you.
For real. Where could he be, bro? Bro, I'm about to piss myself, dude. I can't hold it. Oh my god, I'm a pee. I'm a pee on stream. Is that TOS?
I don't know.
I will pee on stream, bro.
Oh, it's right there. What the?
Let's go.
Give me that dub. 14 kill win. Someone clip it.
Woo. Let's go, baby. Let's go. God damn. Holy shit. I'm telling you, we on a roll lately, man. You bad with beach. Oh my god. Wait.